there. This is Lon and this is part one of my programming project, the Prog5121 POE. This application is a console-based registration and login system developed in NetBeans using Java with End. The project has three classes: the chat app, login, and the login test. The chat app class contains the main method and it is responsible for interacting with the user. It collects the user's first name, last name, username, password, and cell phone number during the registration. And after collecting the information, it creates the login and a login object and calls the register user method. The login class contains the validation logic and methods required by the assignment. It contains the check username method that verifies that if the username contains an underscore and it doesn't have more than 5 characters. It contains the check password complexity method, which checks if the password contains at least 8 characters, a capital letter, a number, and a special character. And it also has the check cell phone number method, which validates if the cell phone number contains the South African International Code +27 and it is followed by 9 numbers. The register user method uses these validation methods and returns the appropriate registration message. If all validations are successful, the user will be registered successfully, and then the login user method compares the username and password entered during the login with the values that were stored during registration. If both values match, the method returns true, otherwise it will return false. The return login status method displays a welcome message when the login is successful and an error message when the login fails. The login test class contains unit tests which verify valid and invalid username formats, password formats, and cell phone number formats, and also successful and unsuccessful login attempts. And then on the next video, I'll be showing you how the project runs when the user inputs valid and invalid formats of usernames, password, and cell phone number.